Hello friends, welcome to Udu's kitchen. Join me as I show you how I made this delicious plantain bread. This is quite simple and easy with straightforward method. So if you are tired of eating bread made with flour, why not try this healthy bread packed with lots of nutrients? And so for this recipe, we'll be using green or unripe plantain. First we start by peeling our plantain to remove the outer layer. As we peel our plantain, let me quickly share with you some of the health benefits of green plantain. As you all know, unripe plantain is rich in fiber, which supports digestion. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folate. This supports the immune system, skin health, and energy production. Green plantain are high in resistant starch, which help regulate blood sugar level, and it is also a good source of carbohydrates, which is ideal for active individuals. Green plantain may also aid in weight management by reducing overall calories intake. Green plantains are gluten-free diets. It improves brain health. It also helps regulate blood pressure and reduces the risk of heart disease. Green plantain are low in fats and cholesterol free. This makes it a healthy option. And after peeling off the bark from the plantain, next we cut them into blendable size. And after cutting them into blendable size, transfer into a blender. And to the diced plantain inside the blender, I'll be adding 4 eggs. So I'll crack the eggs and add to the plantain. And next I will add to it quarter teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1.5 tablespoon of granulated sugar, half tablespoon of baking powder. Then cover and blend smoothly. And after blending it for some time, I will open and I'll add to it quarter tablespoon of banana flavor. Then cover and blend smoothly. And after blending and it becomes smooth, this is how it looks like. You can see it came out very smooth. And next I'll transfer it into a baking pan lined with parchment paper. And after transferring it into the baking pan, I'll sprinkle some peanut on top of it. And after sprinkling the peanut on top of it, it is time to bake. And next, I'll transfer it into my preheated oven. Then bake for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, here we have our plantain bread ready. Next, I'll remove from the baking pan. You can see that this is quite easy and it also came out very beautiful. Here we have our plantain bread ready. This can be taken with tea or any drink of your choice. This looks beautiful and perfect and tastes very delicious. Try it today and let me know how it came out for you in my comment section. And now that you have learned that you can make bread with green plantain, please don't forget to like this video and share with your loved ones. Please, if you find this very fascinating as I do, don't forget to subscribe to Udu's Kitchen and also turn on the notification bell for more exciting videos like this. And here we have it. Plantain bread packs lots of vitamins and nutrients. Try this out and see how delicious it is. Thanks so much for spending your precious time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.